Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a damage-free way to hang up a towel, then check out this little towel bar from Command. We just moved into this older home that has this really teeny tiny bathroom that definitely does not have a lot of storage space or places to hang things like towel bars. So we wanted to find a way to make this bathroom a little bit more functional while we have not been able to completely remodel it yet. And this was an easy way to do it. So this is awesome because it does work with Command strips, which are damage-free, there's no drilling involved, and they're really sturdy. So we were able to place this up on the side of this glass shower, and using these medium-sized strips, we were able to have a towel bar in this very tiny spot, and it was so helpful to be able to have this. This towel bar is easy to set up, really functional, and I think it looks really nice too. So I absolutely love this little towel bar. It has been so handy and would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.